On this system, you can do anything to any game. Here are your tools. Edit any character, almost like photoshopping a game. Put yourself in the game. Become a pinball, a flipper, or a bumper. Bring the game into your room so you can control it with your body or any object. Pick a character to control with a loud sound. Make any game 3D. Add objects to the game, like portals. Switch places with anyone. In addition to dozens of glitches, there are game filters. Apply a disco filter, a grow filter, or a marshmallow filter to any game. Combine 2 games. Drop a friend in to help you beat the level. The system doesn't just have games. We also have DIY TV.
Join young Queen Eden and her friends on a remarkable journey. Sailor, do you really believe it's real?
We even have apps where you can play with physics, explore the universe, or cross a game with a piano. So where do all these games come from? The worldwide Scratch community has coded millions of games, apps, and DIY TV shows, all now available on GameBender. How can just playing and bending games lead to coding? That universe was made of code, and so was the TV show, and so were all the games. And every glitch you apply is made of that same code. The glitch code shoots in, transforming the game. Following a code card, you can write a snippet of code. This is actually a glitch, and you can apply it to your game. By combining a few cards, you can code your first game. So whether you just love playing, or if you can't wait to bend the rules, or even if you are ready to jump into coding, GameBender will meet you where you're at. Hi, I'm Jay from Joy Labs and Makey Makey. We've been making learning tools for more than a decade. We believe everyone is an inventor. Get a GameBender and let's reinvent the digital world.